Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel. So it is the morning time for you guys, but it's actually the evening for me because I am sharing with you guys my CVS haul, and I took advantage of some CVS early activation deals. So the first one, I'm just going to go ahead and jump into it. So I only had a $2 extra care buck that I worked with from last week. So I only had $2 that I entered this trip with, and I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different transactions. And then I have some bonus deals to share with you guys of things that I didn't do, but in store, but I had the items in my stockpile. So I'm just going to give you guys a visual of some other deals that I found after I posted my original in-store video. So I will have my CVS in-store video for the week as well as the matchup video. I also have a Walgreens in-store video as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into it. So the first deal I did was an early activation deal. And the reason why I'm sharing this with you is because I wanna share with you guys how I roll each transaction. So Garnier Fructis is priced 2 for $7. And then I used the $3 insert coupons that expired on Saturday night, so I used those. And you get a $4 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. So I paid $2.54, and then I got a $4 extra care buck. So I used the $3 coupon, and then I used the $2 extra care buck that I still had. So again, I paid $2.54. Got a $4 extra care buck. So then I entered my second transaction. So the second transaction I did, I took advantage of the Paparazzi nail polish deal. So when you buy 2 of these, you're going to get a $4 extra care buck, and they are 2 for $5. And I had $1 off 1 CRT for Paparazzi nail polish. Now, I had a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, so I wanted to take advantage of that CRT, so I did the Wet n Wild deal. What I picked up is the Wet n Wild Watermelon Lip Scrub, so I picked this up. This was priced for $4.49. And then I picked up another one of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Waters. So this is priced for $6.29. And let me tell you guys, I really enjoy this product. So my MAC Fix Plus ran out, the shimmery one, and I actually like this one better because what I found with the MAC Fix Plus one with the little shimmers in it is the shimmer collected at the bottom. So when the bottle was running out, I had like a bunch of glitter on my face every single time I would like spray it. So I'm really enjoying this. So I'm glad to pick up a backup because I actually like it. So the coupons I used was a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics. I also had a $1 Paparazzi nail polish CRT, and I used the $4 extra care buck that I earned from the Garnier. So I ended up paying $8.69, and then I earned $4 for the Paparazzi, and then I earned $7 for the Wet n Wild. So I earned a total of $11 in extra care bucks. So the next deal I did was on the Crest Prohealth toothpaste. So these are priced for $2.99, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. Now, I didn't know you had to buy 2 of them. I thought you only had to buy 1 of them, but this is really important as to why I'm doing these deals for you guys, so I can share with you guys any like hiccups that happened in my transaction. So in this transaction, I picked up 1. They're priced for $2.99, like I mentioned. There is a $2 send a card coupon you can use on your CVS app, and then I also got a bag of trash bags because we needed trash bags. So I picked up the Total Home trash bags. And then I also picked up a 52 ounce of Tropicana. So these are on sale for $3.99 this week. So I used $1 off 1 coupon for the Tropicana. The $2 coupon for the toothpaste came off, and also $11 in extra care bucks is what I rolled. So I ended up paying $3.26. Now, the extra care buck didn't print for the Crest toothpaste, so I went ahead and picked up 1 more. So I purchased 1 more for $2.99, and then I paid $3.22, and then the $3 extra care buck did spit out when I bought 2 of them. So I just wanted to add that in. So got that. And then I also got a CRT for Cetaphil. So I got a $3 Cetaphil CRT to take off of any Cetaphil. There was no size restrictions. I read that freaking CRT like from top to bottom. So there was no size restriction. So this little travel Cetaphil moisturizing cream was priced for $4.19. So I used the $3 CRT. So it made it $1.19. And this is a nice little thing just to like throw in your purse. So this is everything that I did in my CVS in store with all of my transactions. So I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different transactions. So now I want to go ahead and jump into some bonus deals for you guys that I did not do in store today, but I just so happen to have the items in my stockpile. So I want to go ahead and go through them just in case maybe you missed some deals. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into them. So the first deal is on the Schick razors. So Schick is on a spend $25, get a $10 extra care bucks. So what you can do is pick up 3 of the Schick Extreme Pivot Ball razors. This is the 4-pack. So these are priced for $8.29. Now it may vary at your store. So pick up 3 of them for $24.87. Now we have those awesome Smart Source coupons. So there is a 6 off 2 and a 3 off 1. So you're going to take a total of $9 off. Now in my CRTs, I had a 3 off 12 CRT for razors. So if you have that 3 off 12 and all of the coupons I mentioned, you would pay $12.87, get a $10 extra care buck back, making it just $2.87 for 3 of them. And then there's also a $1 rebate on Ibotta for Schick, but it's only the 8-pack, so just keep that in mind. So another deal you can do if you have the same CRT is the Unflushable cleansing wipes. So these are priced for $3.29, and if you have a Care Pass, you're going to take 20% off of this because you get 20% off of CVS health brand items. And then I had a $2 off 1 CRT. Now I didn't pick it up this time around, but if you have that same CRT, then it makes it $1.29 for the cleansing wipe. So you guys know I'm collecting feminine care for periods happen. So another deal is on the U by Kotex. So the U by Kotex pads, the 26 to 34 count. Now I didn't have that big of a package, but I did take a picture inside of my CVS. So inside CVS, they are on sale for $7.49. And there is a $1 off 1 coupon that is coming in our Smart Source 922. And then you get a $2 extra care buck. So essentially you take $3 off. So it makes it $4.39. And then if you have any CRTs to pair with that, it can make it even less expensive. So if you guys enjoyed this CVS haul, make sure you give it a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and leave in the comment section below if you like these little bonus deals where I'm pulling things out of my stockpile to share like a visual with you guys with some other deals that maybe I wasn't able to pick up in store. If you like to see like what the product looks like, what like the fluid ounces and all of that stuff. If you guys are a visual learner to where you like to see some sort of like prop instead of me just talking about it, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely want to be upfront with you guys in terms of letting you know I didn't actually purchase the Tresemme or the razors because I want to be really, honest with you guys with that, because if there's any issues that go on at the register, like I want to be able to report back to you guys, because I feel like that's like the importance of these CVS hauls, is that we're sharing with you guys if there are any issues that come about at the register, if that makes any sense. So just remember, you have to buy 2 of those toothpastes to get the extra care buck printing. So I learned that in my transaction, but all in all, everything went according to plan and nothing was an issue. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye.